What?
Is that synthetic hair?
Bitch, no, this is Indian Remy. So you know that hoe came to my house to fight me, right? But I stay in the house because I'm classy. I don't got time for well-star hip-hop. I don't fuck with it. Yeah, I saw that bitch at the mall with him, but it's cool though. He do not want it with me, I promise you. I would drop that hoe in the mall, go to jail, get out, drop that hoe again, go to jail again, get out again. You know, fuck, nah. But no, because I am calm. Just, like, move. Oh, girl, is them Toms? Oh, them is cute. This them is not Toms, and who is this? I ain't gonna get up because my legs hurt, but I'm gonna jerk that ass. Girl, they tell me I look like a Leah.
Girl, you do on the cool.
I could do it. I could be in her movie when they ever make one. I kind of do because when I talk, yeah. Girl, you know I do my own hair. I don't pay. The fuck? I don't pay to get in the club. I don't pay to do nothing. Girl, is that Chris Brown on TV? Girl, he could be these cakes today, tomorrow, the next day, and the next day. Let me stop. I get myself bothered. Babe, what the fuck? How you gonna tell me to get on Skype and you ain't even looking at me? Have me unwrap my hair and shit? The fuck? You know I keep that nigga car, right?
For real?
Got a bitch like me? Shit, he think he ain't about to pay the child support, but he is. Oh, hell no, he did not just follow her back. Hello? What did I tell you about that bitch? I told you to block her. Okay. Guess who I'm gonna call tonight? Don't worry about it. No. It's not your business. Not your business. Okay. Get off the phone. No, I don't care. Just guess who I'm calling. Kevin. Ooh. Babe. Wake up. That nigga get on my damn nerves. Nigga, no, I ain't no hoe. I miss him. I bet the nigga at the club. Y'all wanna go get it? Yeah. Let's go get that. Beyonce ain't even go all that cute. I don't get it. And she can't even sing real talk. Turn this shit off. Hello? Baby. I need to tell you something. I'm pregnant. Hello? Oh, hell no. This shit is hot. Fuck. Shit, all this hair. This shit hot. How do y'all do it? I don't. It's in my eye. Okay. Cause girl, look. Girl, we about to hit the club. Lying. Girl, I've been asking for glue for like. She do a curler. I'm gonna let that one hang too. Can't see shit. Me and my natural black ass is not doing no weave.
Oh, you're broken.
Okay, you gotta help me with this little thing now. Hold the hair. There we go. Girl.